Welcome to Carbonated Cocktails. Dan, Ian, and myself are going to just taste review this because we've got to do a tiki drink. So this is still kind of part of Tiki Month because it's going out during Tiki Month and it has a purpose. We're going to be making suffering bastards and dead bastards and dying bastards, which all need ginger beer. And I have Pickett's, which came through, actually through Awesome Drinks because they want us to carry it in the store. So I need to taste it to see if it's worth carrying.
This must make a lot
12, 15.
of ginger beer.
A lot. You still have the cap on though. I guess that's fine.
No, it's the pour thing.
No, it's the cap. The cap just fell off. Well, sometimes they do that.
Oh.
It like sticks in the other way. No. Yes.
Shit's complicated.
I know. You will.
Let me grab this one and make this.
Well, how many does it make? It makes a shitload.
So how long does that last then?
Refrigerator after opening.
Till 2020.
So you can keep it till 2020?
Yeah, it's got an expiration. Best
I probably wouldn't do that if it's been opened. It says servings. I thought it made like 12 servings or something. It makes 96 ounces of ginger beer. I don't know what you do with 96 ounces of ginger beer.
Well, it's pretty cool if it stays in your refrigerator for a long time.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's a concentrate. So it's and ginger beer is usually sugar. Like it's just a butt ton of sugar. This is they must have ingredients on it.
Do you remember which is which?
Filtered water, cane sugar. Yeah, so it's water, cane sugar, citric acid, all the stuff you need to keep it surviving.
So this is the mild.
You want ice? Or you don't think it doesn't need ice?
This is cold, right?
It was, yeah. So if this is your first time here, what you're going to find is that we're going to be doing this month all tiki drinks.
I think for some reason this isn't alcohol.
And this is not alcohol. No, this is in preparation. So this will go on.
This is something we normally do behind the scenes to figure out what type of
and people like to know what we
mild or hot and spicy ginger beer to use in this next cocktail.
Right.
Oh, that's really mild.
So this is the medium spicy is what I'm drinking here.
That's the medium spice. But what's nice though is that you keep this in the fridge because I mean, every now and then you might want a mule or
like a lot. If you know what, if you open it, you're gonna want to keep doing it. Not all at once.
Not all at once, though.
But over the course of a couple of weeks.
But I see. But sometimes I get bored. Like we used to drink mules a ton.
Yeah.
And then we just stopped.
Because it just
Dude, I like that one better.
Spicy.
Yeah. It's not too spicy. Like I don't think it'll kill a suffering bastard. I think it adds the right thing. I would say at this time of year, dark and Stormies with this.
It's good. It's a good tasting.
Yeah, it's zingy. Gets you right in the nose, right in the nose hole.
Oh, it has it on the back.
The fire?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's some.
There's some heat on the back.
I like a spicy ginger. You like a non-spicy ginger beer?
No, I like it spicy, but usually I like it spicy like up front, like when it just like hits you when you drink it. Like that's like actual spicy.
Yeah, I'd actually go for the spicy one in this drink because it's going to get diluted with the drinks.
Yeah, and you want to. So when we make the drink, we'll just make enough concentrate with the club soda. You're supposed to use sparkling water. I have club soda, so you're getting a little additional sodium in here, but you work with what you got.
This one just isn't.
This is probably what most people would like when they think ginger beer, because it's more like ginger ale, right?
Yeah.
It has sweet, a little bit of zing, and ginger beer's got a crap load of sugar. I've made all my ginger beer.
It is sweet.
What's a syrup?
Yeah. And because you're doing it this way, if it was too sweet, you could just adjust your ratios. Instead of a 5-to-1, what we're doing here, you could do like a 7-to-1 or whatever to kind of get more water over the concentrate.
Yeah.
But for me in the store, and maybe you guys at home have this problem where if you don't have a good ginger beer in like your local grocery store, like Q or something like that, then you have to buy it online. And as a guy that was selling Q, it's a big pain in the ass because they're all these carbonated bottles. If one breaks, the thing explodes. It destroys everything. They take up a lot more space. This is compressed, so you're getting 96 ounces. If you want to buy 96 ounces of Q ginger beer, you're looking at like buying cases at.
That's what I'm saying.
It's a 6-pack.
No,
this is 8 12-ounce.
Yeah.
Sorry, 8 12-ounce bottles.
And they come in.
So it's like 8 cans, 8 Coke cans.
Yeah, and they come in 4 for the Q. So you have to get the 2-packs.
So you have to get.
You get you get a box, and then you got to pad the crap out of it because all the bottles jumble around next to each other. Yeah. It's just a big pain in the ass.
But you think if you're making a drink, like you might use a whole can on 3 or 4 drinks.
Yeah.
So you actually could get a ton of actual cocktails.
It takes up a lot less space.
Yes.
Yeah. And especially in your refrigerator.
Right.
So I'm a big fan of doing the concentrate thing over just the pure bottles of stuff, just for convenience and for packing. For ordering online, you can buy that. You're not gonna the shipping is going to be like, no, it's going to be USPS. I won't even need FedEx. So
that one's spicy. It's not like overpowering spicy, but it's spicy.
It's got some kick.
Like Q? Q is spicy.
Q's no, but it's an actual like hot sauce, like spicy. Not like, you know, like some ginger beers. Like, you know, like when you eat like a piece of ginger and you get that spice in it, like, you know, that hotness. Like that's kind of more...
I don't get that, but
hot.
In
the back?
You have a spicier palate than
most
people.
To me, it's kind of...
Like, I don't think it's overpowering.
I would, if it were me, I'd define that as mild. But then I'd kill people.
But for a ginger beer?
Yeah, I like the hotter the better. I want to burn.
You want to burn? Yeah. Burn, baby, burn.
That's right, burn. Speaking of burning, don't forget there's a few things you need to do. Make sure you like and subscribe to this video. Click the little bell icon. That would be nice so that you get notifications every time we ship a new episode. I don't really have anything else to contribute because we're going to make Suffering Bastards and we're going to do 3 cocktails at once. So it's going to be an interesting time. Sidebar to watch the continuing saga of Tiki Month and another playlist, whatever I decide, down below. Awesome Drinks Starter Kit at awesomedrinks.com. You can use the coupon code that popped up earlier and save yourself some money. We're done. Teaching you how to drink.
Drink it.